So even if we go here to settings, what we can just do is we can show our QR code to other people, and hello guys, and welcome to AI Plus More, and in this video I'll be showing you how you can share your WhatsApp link with other people. So if we head over to WhatsApp here, apparently there's nothing here that I can show you on the WhatsApp app that will help you in sharing your WhatsApp link with other people. Although it is something that it is not created generally or automatically, I mean. So even if we go here to settings, what we can just do is we can show our QR code to other people, and they should be able to contact us on WhatsApp. But aside from that, they won't, or you can't really have a link. So even if you go here, like for example, if you go here to invite a friend, you have the option to share a link, but you can't really copy the link and you can place it to other people. So that's one big problem, or like one big downside to it. So you're still not able to share a link. And the best way that I can think of, or what I've found, is that you can just create it manually. For example, I want to share a link to myself, which is this one. So I want to share a link, or my WhatsApp link, to this one, to my other account. So what I need to do is just to type in the link that I will be typing over here, and you just need to follow me. Okay, so you just need to type in wa.me, then slash, then you need to type in your country code. As for me, my country code is 63 since I'm living in the Philippines. And then you just need to write or type in the rest of your number. So I'm gonna type in the rest of my number, which is this one, and then send it to there, and it should appear now as a share on WhatsApp. So now this is your WhatsApp link, and anyone that clicks on it should be sent to this web page where it says now you can chat on WhatsApp with the number that I have given, or the number to my WhatsApp account. And if you had to continue, it should start a conversation with myself here. So that's it. That is how you can share a WhatsApp link with other people manually, because you can create it automatically. Although you can share the link through WhatsApp, the app, or you can share a QR code. And that's it. I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Hello guys, once again this is Kim, and I would like to thank you all for watching this video, but don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get more free tutorials for your everyday needs. And come on, once again, let me tell you, it's free, okay? So if you change your mind, you can always unsubscribe later on, but I would suggest not to do that. Please, 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 please.